Welcome to the video comparing the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra S Pen to its previous generations. We will explore the evolution of precision in this advanced tool. Samsung shifted the focus for the S26 Ultra S Pen. Old models used wireless tricks, but the S26 Ultra emphasizes precision, reliability, and AI capabilities. The new S Pen utilizes passive electromagnetic resonance, or EMR, and has no battery. The phone display powers the pen, simplifying the design and charging. By removing Bluetooth, Samsung achieved three goals: zero charging, a thinner 7.9mm body, and better cooling for the new processor. The phone features rounded corners, and the S Pen has a tapered clicker. Remember that users must insert the pen button side up. The S Pen has IP68 water and dust resistance, enduring 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Its passive hardware design increases reliability, and it features a replaceable 0.7mm tip. The passive design means the S Pen loses wireless controls. It no longer takes remote photos or controls music playback. While the S Pen lost remote controls, it gained AI intelligence, acting as an AI navigator to enhance user interaction. The Creative Studio upgrades sketches. Users can draw rough outlines, and the onboard AI creates high-fidelity masterpieces. AI Select understands context. When users circle an object, the AI recognizes the data and offers smart actions, such as adding a phone number to contacts. Samsung Notes includes a math solver. Users can handwrite complex equations, and the AI formats the text, providing step-by-step solutions. The handwriting engine processes even messy writing. Users write directly into text fields, and the neural processing unit converts it to typed text in real time. The S Pen keeps its hover features. Users hover the pen to open Air Command and can preview emails using AirView. Comparing the S24 Ultra and the S26 Ultra, the new S Pen offers passive EMR, no charging, lower latency at 2.4 milliseconds, and a thinner 7.9mm body. The S26 Ultra S Pen provides meaningful utility. Samsung removed minor distractions, evolving the tool into a focused, powerful AI interface.